Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj Qute, a compact, fuel-efficient quadricycle that's perfect for urban commuting. From its design to performance and price, we'll cover it all. Let's get started. Exterior. The Bajaj Qute's minimalist design is all about functionality. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for narrow city streets and tight parking spaces. With a boxy silhouette, large glass panels, and a bold front grille, the Qute balances practicality with modern aesthetics. The lightweight body enhances efficiency, and it comes in vibrant color options that add a playful touch to its utilitarian build. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Bajaj Qute features a 216-seat liquid-cooled engine that delivers a fuel efficiency of up to 35 kml. It has a top speed of 70 km/h, making it perfect for city commutes. The vehicle offers smooth handling, thanks to its lightweight structure and small turning radius. Whether zipping through traffic or cruising on open streets, the Qute is built for efficiency, not speed. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin for a quadricycle. The Qute seats 4 passengers in a 1-3 configuration with basic but comfortable upholstery. The dashboard is simple, featuring easy-to-use controls and a functional layout. While you won't find luxury here, there's enough space for daily essentials, and optional features include a basic infotainment system and extra storage add-ons. Safety features. The 2025 Qute prioritizes safety within its category. It comes with an impact-resistant monocoque body, seat belts for all passengers, and a safety cage designed for added protection. Although it lacks advanced driver assist features, it's built to handle city collisions with durability. With its top speed capped, it minimizes high-speed risks. Prices. The Bajaj Qute remains one of the most affordable urban mobility options. Starting at around $2,800, or Rs 2.5 lakh in India, it offers incredible value for budget-conscious buyers. The low running costs and excellent fuel efficiency make it a smart choice for daily commutes. Outro. And that's the 2025 Bajaj Qute, a practical, affordable, and efficient solution for urban transportation. What do you think about this compact quadricycle? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive updates. See you in the next video.